everyone. A line L passes through point A. So this would be point A here. This is line A, or the line L. The y coordinate of the point is 4. So that would be something comma 4. And we're going to find the slope of the tangent line that passes through point A. We're going to write the equation of the tangent line. I'm going to use both methods because this is basically a SAT practice. So we want to just keep practicing our linear equations. And I'm also going to write it in standard form. So the first thing we're going to do is look at this circle. And I went ahead and drew it. This just means the center is at 0, 0. And our radius equals 5. You just take the square root of 25. So that's going to be your radius. So right here is our radius. This is 5. Now for the circle, so we just went out 5 on all of these. So this will be negative 5, 5, negative 5, 5. All right. And we're given that y is 4. So there's your 4. All right. So this height here is 4. Using our Pythagorean triples, and I just put the triples that you really need for your SAT. So these are basically your primitive triples. This one right here is just this first one double. They use the first one and this last one a lot. This is number 5. All right. So we're using the first one. So we know that 3 squared plus 4 squared equals 5 squared. So this would have to equal 3. Okay, because we have 3, 4, 5 triangle. And this is a right triangle here. Okay, now we're going to find the slope of this tangent line. And the main thing you have to know about a tangent line is it means it's perpendicular. Because this line, if it's not tangent, it could be going this way. It could be going this way. But we have to know that it's tangent. That means it's perpendicular to this point. So what I'm going to do is draw the triangle we have. So this is a 3, 4, 5 triangle. Now, if I extend this line out, this point here is going to be my x is 3 and my y is 4. All right. So this point here from the circle was 0, 0. So to find this slope, we're going to use our slope formula. So our slope's going to be, I'll start with this point here. 4 minus 0 divided by 3 minus 0. So the slope of that line is 4/3. So for your tangent line, which means perpendicular, so that means this has to be perpendicular to this line. That means it's 90 degrees either way here on all sides. That means you do the negative reciprocal. So all that means is you take this number and flip it around, and it's positive, so now we're going to make it negative. So that's the slope of your tangent line. These two numbers, when you multiply, should give you negative 1. So when you multiply those across, you get negative 12 divided by 12, which equals negative 1. All right, but this is the slope of the tangent line. Now we're just going to continue on and write the equation of the tangent line. So we're going to do two methods. We're going to use point slope form and slope intercept form just for extra practice. So remember our point was 3, 4, and our slope is negative 3/4. So we're going to write y minus 4 equals negative 3/4 x minus 3. So this is going to give you y equals, and let's distribute here, negative 3/4 x plus 9/4. All right, and we're going to have to add this 4 to both sides. So when I add 4, that really means I'm adding 16 divided by 4, because that equals 4. So we're adding 4 to both sides. I'm trying to get the common denominator. So we get y equals negative 3/4 x plus 25/4. Now, doing it in slope-intercept form, I should get the same thing. So if we use this method, we're just going to write y, which is 4, equals our slope, negative 3/4 times x plus b. And we're going to solve for b. So this is going to be 4 equals negative 9/4 plus b. Add 9/4 to both sides. I'm going to go ahead and write this as 16/4 plus 9/4 equals b. So we get b equals 25/4. Now go back to your original equation and write y equals negative 3/4 x plus your b, which is 25/4. So that is they should match. They do. That's just two different methods. I personally prefer this one. When you get to pre-calculus, you'll use this one a lot for conics. So you need both methods. So our equation is y equals negative 3/4 x plus 25/4. So this last bit, I'm just going to put this in standard form. Standard form is ax plus or minus by equals c. All right, so I'm going to move this, x goes first. We get 3/4 x plus y equals 25/4. Now the problem is your a can't be a fraction. So we're going to have to multiply this whole thing through by 4. So you multiply 4 by each of these, and you're going to get 3x plus 4y equals 25. And that's it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.